Okay, it's Sunday night.
Hey, hey.
We're in downtown Lemont, and there is a brand new authentic Mexican restaurant that we're checking out called Moreno's. It literally opened mid-April, so it is brand spanking new. Come check it out. Okay, so for those of you know Lemont, it's in the Old Town building, so they left the authentic Old Town. Looks awesome.
Right? Got bacon, pineapple, and peppers.
Okay, Mark, show us the menu. Like it's a smaller menu, which I actually love. I love when people, but there's plenty of choices. And then on the back,
You got breakfast, appetizers, tacos, tortas,
yep,
tamales.
fresh chips. Okay, so this is so fun. Look at, we're literally tried all of the
Delicious.
salsas.
There's still a couple we haven't tried yet.
We just keep going back. They're like, do you want more chips?
Our
Yes,
bowl
yes, we
is
do.
really hot and delicious.
And delicious.
Smoky pepper flavor, really good.
Mark ate all the mango salsa. I like, seriously, it's worth just coming for the salsa bar. Okay, what did you get, Mark?
I forgot what it's called. I think it's a quesadilla. It's like,
I'm sure
it's
that's
like-
not how it's pronounced at all.
Yeah.
No,
It's
that's
got some-
not it.
It's got some like hot roast meat in there. Looks like good sauce. Looks fantastic. You got some good chicken enchiladas.
Yep, I did chicken enchiladas. All right, take a bite, Mark. Let's give a true review here.
Oh, live.
Alive.
In action.
Yes.
All right.
Delish.
That is really good.
Two thumbs up.
Oh, two thumbs
All right,
up.
2 thumbs up for Moreno's. Awesome hours, especially in Lemont. If you are a Lemont resident, you know it's hard on a Sunday to find something that's open, and they're open all the way till 9 o'clock on a Sunday. So definitely, if you're in the mood for Mexican, give it a try.